Ever wondered how to boost your accounting skills and maybe even land a better job, all without spending a dime? Specifically, have you ever asked yourself, can I get Xero certified for free? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now, before we jump into the answer, let's quickly talk about why Xero certification is even worth considering. In today's digital age, cloud-based accounting software is king, and Xero is a major player in that space. It's used by businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations, all around the world. So, becoming Xero certified shows potential employers that you have a solid understanding of this popular software, making you a more attractive candidate. It demonstrates your commitment to professional development and your ability to handle financial data efficiently and accurately. Essentially, it's a valuable credential that can open doors to new opportunities. But certifications usually cost money, right? That's the common perception. And while that's often the case, the question of free Xero certification is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Let's break it down. Directly, through Xero itself, you won't find a completely free certification program. Xero offers its own certifications, but these typically involve a cost. They have different levels, from advisor certifications to specific product certifications, and each comes with its own fee structure. This is their official, recognized pathway to becoming a certified Xero professional. These certifications are comprehensive, in-depth, and carry a lot of weight in the industry. They're designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to effectively use Xero in a professional setting. So, if you're looking for the most recognized and official Xero certification, the paid route through Xero directly is the way to go. However, that doesn't mean free learning resources for Xero don't exist. Quite the opposite, in fact. There are a plethora of free resources available online that can help you learn Xero and prepare you for the official certification exams, even if they don't grant you the official certification badge themselves. Think of it like studying for a test using free online materials versus taking a prep course. You can still learn a lot and potentially pass the test, but the prep course offers a more structured and guided experience. So, where can you find these free Xero learning resources? One of the best places to start is YouTube itself. You'll find tons of tutorials, walkthroughs, and even full courses on Xero, created by individuals, accounting firms, and even some educational institutions. These videos can cover everything from the basics of setting up an account to more advanced features like reporting and analysis. Just search for Xero tutorial or Xero for beginners, and you'll be presented with a wealth of information. Another valuable resource is Xero's own website. While they charge for their official certification program, they also offer a wealth of free resources, including blog posts, help articles, and even webinars. These resources can be a great way to supplement your learning and stay up to date on the latest Xero features and updates. They often have detailed guides and step-by-step instructions that can be incredibly helpful. Don't forget about online learning platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. While many courses on these platforms are paid, you can often find free introductory courses or even free previews of paid courses that cover Xero. These can give you a taste of the platform and help you decide if it's worth investing in a full course later on. Community forums and online groups are also fantastic places to learn. Platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook have groups dedicated to Xero users and accountants. You can ask questions, share tips, and learn from the experiences of others. These communities can be incredibly supportive and helpful, especially when you're just starting out. So, while you can't get officially Xero certified for free in the sense of receiving their official badge without paying, you can absolutely learn Xero for free using the resources I've mentioned. You can gain a deep understanding of the software, practice your skills, and even prepare yourself for the official certification exams by leveraging these free resources. Now, let's talk about how you can use these free resources effectively. First, it's important to have a structured learning plan. Don't just jump from one tutorial to another without a clear goal in mind. Decide what you want to learn and break it down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you want to learn how to create invoices in Xero, start with a tutorial on that specific topic. Then, practice creating invoices yourself in a demo account. Xero offers demo accounts specifically for this purpose, allowing you to experiment without affecting real financial data. Second, don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're stuck on something, Reach out to the online communities or forums I mentioned earlier. There are plenty of people who are willing to help. Don't let a small roadblock prevent you from continuing your learning journey. Third, practice, practice, practice. The more you use Xero, the more comfortable you'll become with it. Use the demo account to try out different features and scenarios. The hands-on experience is invaluable. Finally, consider creating a portfolio of your work. As you learn Xero, create examples of reports, invoices, and other documents. This portfolio can be a valuable asset when you're applying for jobs or showcasing your skills to potential clients. So, to reiterate, the answer to "Can I get Xero certified for free?" is a qualified no, if you're referring to the official Xero certification. But you can absolutely learn Xero for free and become proficient in the software by utilizing the vast array of free online resources available. These resources can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed, even if you choose not to pursue the official certification. And who knows, maybe after mastering the free resources, you'll feel confident enough to invest in the official certification down the line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.